Welcome to my newest listing, 261 Park Avenue, Unit 3 in Weehawken, New Jersey. Let's see what this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit has to offer. As we walk into this unit, we're welcomed into this eat-in kitchen. This apartment has a wonderful sights and scenes. Let's check out the first bedroom. This unit is also available semi-furnished. Check out the storage space. As a bonus, this unit also has a bonus room, perfect for any kid's room, den, man cave, or even a weekend bedroom for your guest. Look at these views. This is your living room. You don't need a TV when you have the whole city right in front of you. Aren't these views amazing? Now, this room also offers a wood-burning fireplace, but let's go check out the master bedroom. This king-size paradise is perfect for you, and you have the exact same views as you have inside the living room. Now, picture your evenings outside drinking a glass of wine, looking at your New York skyline. As we finish the tour, check out the master bathroom. This 4-piece bathroom also offers a walk-in closet. This closet is perfect for pocketbooks, suits, shoes, and more. Look at the amount of space in here. Again, remember, this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit could be yours. Contact me for further information.
Please subscribe to Daddy's channel.